I think you can see by the trees. It's blowing, but it was blowing pretty hard. Oh, there they are. There's the babies. There's 2 of them. Oh, and there's the other one.
Come on,
she's
Shadow,
underneath
move.
one of those calves. There we go. Gonna get some more hay. Earlier today, about how fast do you think that wind was blowing today?
I don't know, honey. I didn't look, but we were having 30